Hello everyone, welcome to Doodle Garden. It's time for another alphabet doodle, and today we've arrived at the letter Y. And Y is for a yummy hot chocolate loving Yeti. So gather your family and let's doodle together. Let's start by sketching two simple circles, one for the head and one for the body. This helps us keep our Yeti the right size and in the right place on the page. Once you are happy with the circles, you can go in with a marker or stay with a pencil if you want to be extra cautious. You will see that I do that for some steps too. Now I'm drawing the eyes. The cute little nose, and a big smile. I will add 3 tiny sharp teeth peeking out. Our Yeti looks friendly and a little silly. Next comes the fluffy hair on top. And now the face. Then I'm adding 2 little horns on the sides, but you can leave them out if you want. Now, add more fluffy hair all around the face. Make your lines soft and fuzzy so he looks extra cozy. Time to draw the scarf. How about a hot chocolate cup? Yummy! I lightly sketched the cup first with a pencil to make sure it sits right in the middle. So you can do the same or draw straight in marker. Add the hands holding the cup. Then the fuzzy arms all the way up to the shoulders. Y is such a unique letter, and we picked Yeti because he fits winter perfectly. Cozy, fluffy, and fun to draw. It honestly made me grab a warm drink too. Our Yeti already has his hot chocolate, so feel free to join in with your own. Now let's finish the scarf. Feel free to design it in any way you like. Time to draw the legs and the big fluffy feet at the bottom. Just keep your lines loose and puffy. Yetis are made of fluff. There we go! Our full Yeti is ready! Time to add some color magic to bring it to life. Let's have fun! Let's give his face, hands, and feet a cool icy blue shade to make him look extra chilly. Let's warm things up with a bright red scarf. Now I'm adding some lines to make a cute checkered pattern and a little darker red in few spots to make it stand out. For all the fluffy fur, I used light blue and light gray for shading to really show off all that soft cozy fluff. Finally, fill the hot chocolate cup with a cozy brown. And don't forget the whipped cream on top, or is it a melted marshmallow? Use your imagination and make it your own. Voila! There it is, our adorable letter Y Yeti, all cozy with his hot chocolate. I hope you and your family had fun drawing along today. If you enjoyed this doodle adventure, don't forget to check out more letters and winter drawings on the channel. And I will see you in the next fun doodle. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching.